Show me the meaning of being lonely. So many words for the broken heart. It's hard to see in a crimson love, so hard to breathe. Walk with me and maybe night till the light so soon become wild and free. I can feel the sun. Your every wish will be done. They tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this the feeling I need to walk with? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. Life goes on as it never ends. Eyes of stone observe the trends. They never say or ever gaze. If only beauty rose to an endless love. There's no control. Are you with me now? Your every wish will be done. Tell me, show me the meaning of being lonely. Is this a feeling I need to walk? Tell me why I can't be there where you are. There's something missing in my heart. There's nowhere to run. I have no place to go. Surrender my heart, body and soul. How can it be you're asking me to feel the things you never show?